born, Alicia?
Last Saturday, or
Not last Saturday.
two Saturday, yeah.
Yeah. So they were a week old on Saturday.
Pop, 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 pop.
I think she just took some cute pictures of them, so. And these will be, Janelle has produced
Pop,
some
pop,
really
pop, pop,
beautiful
pop.
puppies for me, so. They really are. I mean, recently I've had, when I've bred the Gunner, I've had, you know, some more honey gold yellows, which is not a common color for me, but they are beautiful, yeah. See, and